Hello students, good morning everyone. I welcome you all in my class. Today we are going to discuss the definition of polynomial function. According to the definition of polynomial function, a function f such that r tends to r. Here f represents for function, a function f such that r tends to r. Here r and r both are the real number. It means the domain and codomain of a polynomial function will always real number. A polynomial function is said to be a polynomial function if each x belongs to real number. Here the domain of the polynomial function will be real number. Here y is equal to f of x is equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus a3x plus and so on an into x power n. This is the standard form of polynomial function. It is the standard form of polynomial function where n is what? N is a non-negative integer. Where n is what? Non-negative integer, and a0, a1, a2, a3 and so on an belongs to real number. Now I am going to discuss mainly two types of polynomial function. One is quadratic function and another is cubic function. First I am taking quadratic function. Quadratic function is defined as f such that r tends to r, y is equal to f of x is equal to x square. This is a quadratic function. It is a quadratic function. What will be the domain and range of quadratic function? Here, according to the definition of polynomial function, it is a quadratic function. The domain of polynomial function. This is the domain of quadratic function always real number. And what should be the range of this function? This is a quadratic function. What should be the range? Suppose here x is what? X is the real number, any real number, either it is positive or negative real number. If x equal to 1, what should be the value of y? If x equal to 1, the value of y is also 1. If x equal to minus 1, what will be the value of y? If x equal to minus 1, the value of y is equal to 1. Square of minus 1 is 1. If x equal to 0, what should be the value of y? The value of y will also 0. If x equal to minus 2, what will the value of y? The value of y is will be square of minus 2 is equal to plus 4. If x equal to minus 3, the value of y will be equal to 9. If x equal to 3, the value of y is 9. If x equal to minus 4, what will the value of y? Y is equal to 16. If x equal to 4, the value of y will be equal to 16. Here the value of x is either negative or positive. But the value of y will be equal to what? The value of y will always comes positive real number. This is the domain. The domain belongs to real number, the set of all real numbers. But the value of y is the set of positive real number. It means the domain of quadratic function will always belongs to set of all real numbers, and the range is equal to the set of all positive real numbers. What should be the nature of the graph? Now I am going to draw the graph of this function. Suppose it is x axis, this is y axis. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and so on. If the value of x equal to 1 plus 1, what is the value of y? The value of y is 1. If the value of x equal to minus 1, the value of y is also 1. If the value of x equal to 0, the value of y is also 0. For x equal to minus 2, the value of y is 4. If x equal to minus 3, the value of y is 9. Okay. Now then here we observe that the nature of this is the curve of the quadratic function. Here the domain of this function always the set of all real numbers, but the value of y is what? The value of y always belongs to the positive y axis. It means this is the set of all positive real number. Now I am taking another function, cubic function. Cubic function. A function f such that r tends to r is defined as f of y is equal to f of x equal to x cube. The domain of this function, cubic function, always the set of all real numbers. And range, what should be the range? X, y. If x equal to 1, what will the value of y? If x equal to 1, cube of 1 equal to 1. If x equal to 0, y equal to 0. If x equal to minus 1, y will be minus 1. Cube of minus 1 equal to minus 1. If x equal to 2, what will the value of y? Cube of 2 equal to 8. If x equal to minus 2, what will the value of y? This will become minus 8. If x equal to minus 3, the value of y is equal to minus 27. If x equal to 3, the value of y is equal to 27. If x equal to 4, what will the value of y? 64. Here, the value of x is either positive or negative. But the value of y is what? The value of y is also positive or negative. It means the domain of the cubic function is always the set of all real numbers, and the value of range is the set of all real numbers. The set of all real numbers. It means domain is equal to the set of all real numbers, and the range is equal to also the set of all real numbers. Now I am going to draw the graph of this function. One, two, three, four, five, six. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the value of x equal to 1, what is the value of y? Y is 1. If the value of x equal to 0, the value of y is also 0. If the value of x equal to minus 1, then the value of y is also minus 1. If the value of x equal to 2, the value of y is 8 plus 8. Suppose plus 8 is here, and if x equal to minus 2, then the value of y is equal to, suppose x equal to minus 8 is here. If x equal to minus 2, then the value of y is equal to minus 8. Here you can see that the graph of cubic polynomial is always like this. This is the x-axis and this is the y-axis. This is the y-axis. The domain is the set of all real numbers, and the range is also the set of all real numbers. The set of all real numbers. Thank you children. Have a nice day.